Weigh and grind 16 grams of freshly roasted coffee on a medium setting. Place the filter plate and brew chamber onto a glass carafe. Put your ground coffee into the brewer. Then shake slightly to evenly distribute the grounds. Place the gravity press on top of the bed of coffee. Position all the components on your scale and tare to 0 grams. Start your timer and gently pour 30 grams of water into the brewer, evenly saturating all the grounds. At 45 seconds, gently pour water into the brewer in a circular motion in order to evenly saturate the grounds. Bring your overall water weight up to 100 grams. If using a lid, be sure to offset the lid in order to prevent a seal and vacuum effect. Look for the first drip into the carafe to happen around 2 minutes to 2 minutes 30 seconds. If you do not see a drip by then, use a small spoon, fork, or other implement to gently lift the gravity press slightly. Coffee should finish dripping through between 5 minutes and 6 minutes. Combine with water, milk, or your mixture of choice. And enjoy.